So, what is it really like to do a hot air balloon safari? Well, it's dusty, bumpy, and expensive. But then again, so is all of Kenya. Keep watching, and we will let you know if a hot air balloon safari is worth your hard-earned money. To show you what it's really like, let's start at the beginning, and the fact that you have to get up super early, like 3:45 in the morning early. Don't worry, I'll get to the balloons fairly fast. Today's our hot air balloon ride. Oh man, they got us up about 3:45 a.m. 4:15 now, waiting for security. You can hear all the hippos out there. We'll do that, and then another full day game drive from there. Hello.
Yes, night.
Man, it's pretty out here. Looks like all the photos you always see. It's about 6 in the morning. We're out here at some field in Kenya. The sunrise is coming up. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna do our hot air balloon safari. A lot of our videos are either travel or adventure, usually a combination of both, but I feel like today is gonna be the epitome of adventure travel. We've never been in a hot air balloon. It's actually gonna be scary and fun at the same time. Something about shooting a bunch of flames and a nylon contraption is a little scary.
Does everybody understand English? Yes. Sure. So no use asking someone in English, do you understand English? If they don't, I'm just going to do this. Head and shoulders back. And we're going to start dragging and bouncing and dragging. I'm going to pull some ropes. All the hot air will go out. We're going to drag and we're going to tip over. And we're going to get to a standstill like this. So very important to hold on and lean backwards.
Oh, not really comfortable, is it?
No, it's not.
They left that part out. The dust going everywhere?
Yeah. There we go.
Hey.
There we go.
Oh man, look at the dusty mess.
So even though this part was really dusty and quite hot, it was an awesome spectacle. I honestly thought this was one of the coolest parts of the whole adventure. Shannon, not so much.
I think we got a good seat on the edge here. Oh, it's warm.
That flame was massive,
Oh, look.
and the heat coming off of it was quite intense.
Stand up. You all can stand up. Thank you. There we go. Everybody good?
Yeah, man.
everybody get ready for me. I'll tell you exactly when to hold on, alright? Already? You're a little bit bumpy. Lean backwards for me. Lean backwards. 3, 2, 1. Little bounce. Hold on.
Better than the Takeoff.
Alright, you can stand up. Just stay in the balloon. Don't jump out. Gonna get on there. Put your bum on the side of the basket. Throw the one leg over. And then the other leg.
I got it. I can jump. Chris, man, I can jump. Good Lord. Thank you. It would have been easier if I jumped.
So, like I said earlier, this hot air balloon ride was dusty, bumpy, and expensive. But so is every safari in Kenya. Was it worth it? Absolutely. It cost us $900 USD, but the whole experience is so real, and it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, for most people anyway. And it includes transportation and a full breakfast with champagne, which I'll show in a minute. It was also quite relaxing, at least after the takeoff anyway. Seeing all the animals from this viewpoint was incredible. We were just surprised to see all the burned fields. I'll tell you about that shortly. On the way to breakfast, we stopped for a minute to check out this cool warthog. I'll also show you some huge lions that we saw.
Hacking up a hairball? That's what my cats do.
That'd be a big hairball. If you like animals and adventure, make sure to subscribe. We show a lot of underwater creatures and rainforest animals as well in our videos, and have an extremely adventurous Costa Rica series coming out soon.
I think they're the bigger than the ones we saw yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Why would there be two male cats together?
Oh no, there are plenty of times the brothers or they form a coalition.
They're still together.
Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes there are up to 4.
Okay. Pretty sure he's coming right towards us.
So everyone meets up for breakfast, and it was really good. We booked with the company Hot Air Safaris, and we do highly recommend them. Our pilot, Mervin de Souza, was fantastic, and you could really tell he loved his job. And he always put safety first. So we just did the hot air balloon. That was freaking amazing. One of the most amazing experiences I think we've ever done. A little scary, but once you get up there, oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Great breakfast. We're headed on our game drive with our wonderful driver, Rufus. Oh, that was awesome. Afterwards, we did a full day game drive in the Masai Mara Reserve because it was so close.
Oh yeah, all about the burning.
So you probably noticed a lot of the fields we flew over were black from being burned. Our pilot said both countries burn the fields to help keep the animals in. By burning them, it encourages tender new grass to grow, which the animals prefer, so they tend to stay a little longer. Some people think that's why the wildebeest migration is happening later and later each year. Well, I hope we provided a very realistic experience of what it's like to do a hot air balloon safari, or even just a hot air balloon ride in general. It is fairly expensive, but it truly is an amazing experience. We highly recommend going if you can. Alright, like, subscribe, and we have over 100 adventure travel videos on our channel. So pick an adventure and let's go do some stuff.